First things first, going to use a nice big ring and some paracord so we can see what's going on here. First, you got to pass the line through the eye. And then I usually use my right hand pinky and palm to kind of secure what's going on. And then I use my thumb and my pointer finger to secure the two pieces of line, the main line and the tag end. With my left hand, I use my pinky, middle, and ring finger to secure the line against my palm. And then wrap the line, in this case only 4 times because it's big, but if you're using regular fishing line, I would do like 7 or 8 times around. And then pass that tag end right through the hole that we made before and pull everything tight. So moving on to a reel lure, the primary concern is not getting one of these hooks stuck in your hand. So again, what I like to do is with my right hand, I secure the bait using my pinky, thumb, and forefinger. Kind of just hold everything nice and tight. Again, pull out some line, pass it through the eye. And then using the pointer finger and thumb, pinching that hole. Otherwise, if you don't do that, then you'll never be able to pass the line back through it. So again, going underneath and just wrapping, using those 2 middle fingers on my right hand are very stationary, makes it easy. My left hand's doing all the work. This time going 7 or 8 times. Passing it back through the hole. And I didn't do it here on camera, but you would definitely want to spit on it. Always spit on it. Get it nice and wet. And then after you pull it nice and tight, grab your nippers and knife or something and trim that tag in nice and close. And that's it. That's how you tie the clinch knot. Fisherman's Knot 101.